Hi all, today we are going to look into the basics of noise reduction in Audacity software. Noise reduction can reduce constant background sound such as hum, whistle, whine, buzz and other hiss sounds. It is not suitable for individual clicks and pops or irregular background noise such as from traffic or an audience sound. To use noise reduction, we need a waveform region that contains only the noise that we want to reduce. We have to be aware that it can be only possible to get satisfactory removal when the noise is very loud. When the noise is variable and the music or speech is not much louder than the noise frequencies are very similar to those of music and speech. So here we have already imported an audio track. Before applying the noise reduction, we can just play the track and see how the noise and other glitches are present in the sound.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் ராஜ்குமார், தேர்ட் இயர் பிஎஸ்சி விஸ்காம் நேர் ஆர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் சயின்ஸ் காலேஜில் படிக்கிறேன்.
You might have heard the sounds, the noise and other pops and glitches in the sound. To remove these, we have to first select the track, then we have to go to effect, then we have to select the noise reduction and we have to go for preview button. Then we can hear the noise preview over this recorded sound. The first step the Audacity teaches us about the noise is that we have to identify the noise floor of different frequencies that make up the noise. In order to get the noise profile, we have to select the recorded track and click on Get Noise Profile. We have to go to Effect, we have to click on Noise Reduction and then we have to go for the step 2. In order to reduce the noise, the best way is by the trial and error method by adjusting the sliders and using the preview button. The noise reduction controls the amount of volume reduction to be applied to the identified noise. Use the lowest value that reduces the noise to an acceptable level. Higher the values than necessary may make the noise even quieter but will result in damage to the audio that remain. Sensitivity controls how much of the audio has to be considered as a noise. It can be of 0 to the minimum and 24 to the maximum. Greater the sensitivity means more noise will be removed. So we can set the sensitivity to the medium level. Next, the frequency smoothing bands. At the values of 1 or higher, this control spreads the noise reduction into a specified number of neighboring bands. But if the artifact remains in the noise reduced audio, the smoothing can make those artifacts sound more acceptable. There is a chance that smoothing will make the desired audio less clear. So where your desired signal is strong and of wide frequency range, the noise is light. So try leaving this control at 0. Select the reduce option to filter out the noise from the selection. And select the residue option to hear the sound that would be filtered out if you choose the noise. If you can clearly recognize the bits of desired sound in the residue, it is likely that you have to set the noise reduction too high or the sensitivity to too high. After that, click OK.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் ராஜ்குமார், தேர்ட் இயர் பிஎஸ்சி விஸ்காம் நேர் ஆர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் சயின்ஸ் காலேஜில் படிக்கிறேன். எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் ராஜ்குமார். எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் ராஜ்குமார்.
Now the sound is reduced and as well as the noise is removed. After this, we can go to Effect and click on normalize. It will help to keep up the maximum gain and normalize the peak amplitude to 0 dB and thereby giving the maximum level of sound. So I hope you have understood about the tutorial regarding noise reduction. Thank you.